Folks, so if you saw the service to the DNT M40, this comes with the factory original mic but was wired wrongly. But then the radio had a link missing in the socket. Omega Chippie channel, Tango 21 test. Roger. I'll be plugging our extension speaker in whilst he's reversing out of the drive.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Roger Dodger.
Have you plugged your speaker in?
I have indeed.
Roger that, off we go then.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. On this radio we've got no tone control.
Roger that.
Just talk to me again. I've got an RF gain. I want to just see what it sounds like.
Roger that. So we're heading up the lane, already past the passing place, passing doggy daycare and heading towards the end of the lane.
Roger on that, that's fine.
Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station and it's closed.
Roger, got you. Going past Ancaster service station.
Roger. Almost square wheel, but not quite. We're passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, diddly Dodger. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over. Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
DNT M40 from 1981. I need to take a 441 output and I'm on a standard replacement mic, over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger. Wilford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn, that's right.
Roger, got you the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this DNT M40 and I'm on the standard replacement mic. I'm going to switch it to low power and it's set to 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on low power doing 400 milliwatts, drawing 406 milliampere current back to full power. And there we are back to full power, over.
Yep, no problems on full power, bit noisy on low power, but I could hear you.
No problem at all, off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 136.9 and 144.7.
Roger that, well, very well, thank you very much. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. We've got a petrol prize for me today. That's end, please, over.
Yep, 136.9 and 144.7.
Roger on that, well, very well, thank you very much. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Okay. Not my favourite sets, not reliable sets. This one's the best one I've seen for years. This one's better than the ones I saw when they were new. So, in the receive, it's starting to sound like we've got filters going lopsided, but I'm not going to start spending a fortune on changing filters, so no doubt it'll be absolutely fine for the next 10 years. We'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like, and at the same time we're going to try the factory original mic, which I've rewired because the ground and the transmit were transposed, so the way it was wired it wouldn't have had the screening working properly, so it would have hummed.
Tango 21 testing the DNT M40 into our Midlands M6900 base station, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on full power. Go to low power's hum test, there we're on low power, feels like hum it would diminish, back to full power, and there we are back on full power. Now we'll try it with the factory original mic. Testing with the factory original mic, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are on low power, testing 1, 2, 3, and there we are back on high power. Next.
Well, the next day, after a discussion with Mr. Trucking and Farming, we've got foreign interference coming through. The next day, it turns out there's another microphone to test, and it's a brand new microphone that was provided by the Farming and Trucking gentleman. So we're going to try that one as a third one. So we've firstly tried my new replacement, we've tried the factory original, now we're going to try Mr. Trucking and Farming's new replacement.
Tango 21 testing the DNT M40 into our Midlands M6900 using Trucking and Farming's brand new microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, go to low power,